Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a super simple nature scavenger hunt bag. This is very easy to make. You only need a few items and it's something you can do right in your backyard. For this project, you will need bags, scissors, and tape. Now take a walk around your backyard, look for different things like clovers, grass, leaves, pine cones, rocks, anything like that. Once you have gathered all of your items, you can start taping them to the front of your bag. The bags I'm using came from the Dollar Tree. You can buy a pack of 4 for $1.25, but don't feel like you have to go out and buy anything. You can definitely use whatever you have around the house right now, like a plastic bag or a brown bag would also work just fine. Now the fun begins. You can give your child the bag and encourage them to find all the items found on the front, and as they go along, they can stick the items into their bags. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend.